spotty dishes, stiff laundry, you could have hard water. Hard water affects up to 85% of the population, creating issues on a home's water flow, plumbing, and fixtures.
Hard water causes many problems in a home. It can shorten the lifespan of your appliances when they don't operate as efficiently as they could. It leads to increased water and energy use, and so your bills might be higher.
So I had a lot of soaps come around my faucets. My energy bills were like super high, and I was using a lot of detergent. So I had a water softening system installed, but I hadn't had it set up yet. So I had Lauren come over today to help. Hey, Lauren.
Hi, Sylvia.
Hey.
Good to see you.
Good to see you
Thanks
too.
for having me.
Absolutely.
Come on,
Hey,
doggies.
Come on, guys. Come on, Rizzo. Hey, come on in.
So how did you find out you had hard water? Spots on your dishes?
Yep.
Your clothes might have felt a little stiff?
Yep.
And maybe soap scum around your faucets and sinks.
All those things for sure.
And you probably noticed some problems in your shower too.
Yeah, the soap wasn't seeming to lather.
Well, can I see your water softener system?
Yeah, come on in.
So one of the keys to keeping your water softener system operating properly is to use a good quality salt, like SureSoft water softener salt. Now, we do offer a full line of 100% natural products, so no matter which product you choose, it's going to be good for your system. Today, I recommend that you use SureSoft Pellets Plus. It has something we call Resin Clean. Resin Clean will actually keep your system operating at peak efficiency, and the high purity means that you'll reduce maintenance on your system. You have to clean it out less often, which is great for you and your husband.
That's awesome.
Just one less thing for you to do.
Okay, so how often do I have to add the salt?
Well, some softener systems will tell you when your salt is running low. A good rule of thumb, though, is to add 2 40-pound bags once per month. So if you choose the first of the month or some other date that works for you, just remember to add 2 40-pound bags. It also depends how much water you're using and how hard your water is. So for example, if you and Warren are in the house, you'll probably use a lot less water than when your 3 kids are home visiting.
So what you're saying is when the kids are here, I'm gonna have to use a lot more salt.
That's correct. You'll have to add more salt.
Okay, that makes sense.
So should we add some salt?
Yes.
Okay. It's really easy, and you want to make sure that you pour the whole bag in. And you're all set. Sylvia and her family are going to be very happy that they installed a water softening system and that they're using SureSoft water softener salt.